What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy CatastrophicPOV. Today's video is just a little update video. I know I've been slacking for doing POV drives for y'all, but my head strap broke. It's been a very sad day for me. But this is just a little unboxing video for y'all from the package I got from the last short that y'all had seen. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, YouTube, welcome back to a video. Just a little update. So this was the package that I had gotten for my 2022 Dodge Charger GT. I know a lot of y'all be wondering what this is. So without further ado, let's get into it. It's here, y'all. It's here. It is here. We got it, y'all. We got it. We got it. The rear diffuser. Dodge Charger. I know I was supposed to have been installed it by now, but it's been raining for the past couple days here where I'm at, and I had to stall out for a minute. But yeah, that's just a little unboxing for y'all. A little, you know what I'm saying, little review of the first modification to the car. So, like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new. Stay up. Be blessed. Peace.